So I want to show everybody, Ahana's never curled her hair before and she has wavy hair. So we're gonna see today if it does curl the way that mine curls by doing it the way that I do it. So, follow along. Step one, use a wide comb brush and brush your hair out and make sure it's completely soaked. I love the spray bottles that continue to spray. You can pump and they keep going. So we're going to divide her hair into 4 parts and start with mousse first. Evenly distribute the mousse in each section. And then we go in with a little bit of gel in the same 4 quarters. Okay. And then we're going to comb all the product through with the Denman brush and then in sections as well. You want to lift the hair off and away from the head to give you some volume once you've combed out the product. So then you can go ahead and air dry for 20 to 30 minutes before you flip your hair over and start blow drying or go right into blow drying. So you want to have your head completely down and blow dry with your diffuser going up. Oh my goodness! So this is with just the dryer. It's not completely dry, so we're gonna let it completely dry and we will show you the final products. Here is the final dry naturally. So she normally had wavy hair, but you can see the curls are way more defined. And we're enjoying the beautiful beach. Bye,